Hi everyone, good morning and good afternoon depending upon where you are watching this video and when you are watching this video. I am Shogini and welcome to the Good Word Project. I have actually been creating content on this channel since May of this year, where I have created various small content on nuggets of information, on languages, productivity enablers like excellent PowerPoint, and on general well-being. However, I haven't really brought myself in front of the camera till now, that is. I personally view my life as a collection of mini projects, and this mini project of creating videos is one of them. And why am I doing this? Well, that is precisely the topic of this video. Yes, the topic of today's video is help us high. Do you remember the last time when you helped someone cross the road and the fact that you felt awesome at the end of it? Or someone at office was having a terrible day and you had a kind word and the person felt good immediately, and so did you? Yes, that is precisely what Helpers High is. And why is it so important? Well, people may say that it's good for the society because we are at the end of the day social animals. But today I want to talk a bit about how Helpers High is actually about the person who is helping, the person who is actually taking the action of helping someone. See, life in general is a very long-term game, and it is very possible and likely that we lose the sense of purpose from time to time, because yes, it can get mundane, right? Thus, it is upon us to create the small moments of joys so that we can motivate ourselves and don't lose focus from what our true purpose of life is. And it could be personal, familiar, societal. It could be a variety of things. However, to make sure that we are focused on our goals and that we actually see the actualization of our true potential, it is important for us to be in a joyous state generally, and that is where Helpers High can be truly useful. Thus, when we help someone, we are also actually helping ourselves. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that deep down what we all want for ourselves? To help ourselves and see the actualization of our dreams and aspirations? So yes, that's what I wanted to share with you. Help us high. Do share this with someone who you think would find this useful, and do drop a comment in the comment section below if you would like me to cover any specific topic. Thank you. Speak soon.